Hi. It's time to learn about vowel, consonant, vowel. Let's learn about I plus consonant plus E. Note. First, consonants are the letters C, B, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And the vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U. Often, when the letter I is combined with a consonant and E, the sound of I is
I, I, I.
blending sounds.
I, I, I. Hide, 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 hide. Strike, st, st, stir, 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 ike, strike, strike, strike.
Ice, nice, rice, mice, vice, lice, price, twice, slice, thrice. I'd, ride, wide, side, tide, pride, slide, glide, aside. Ike, like, bike, hike, pike, dike, spike, alike, trike. Aisle, pile, file, mile, vial, tile, while, smile, exile. I'm, time, lime, mime, dime, chime, prime, slime, grime, crime. Dine, dine, fine, nine, line, mine, wine, vine, swine, shine. Ipe, ripe, wipe, pipe, swipe, tripe, stipe, gripe, snipe, stripe. Ite, bite, kite, sight, right, might, white, spite, invite. Eyes, size, prize, oxidize, itemize, idolize, utilize. ire, fire, tire, wire, higher, dire, sire, mire, shire, expire, ife, life, wife, fife, rife, strife, ibe, bribe, ice, rise, wise, vice, arise, demise, advise, precise, sunrise, surprise. Sometimes ISE is pronounced
E,
promise, premise, I've, five, dive, hive, jive, drive, alive, chive, strive, derive. Sometimes the I in IVE is pronounced
E.
give, live, active, native. Good job.
Bye.